This is the Yazzii Craft Folding Kit, product number CA344. It's shown here in aqua, and this will retail for about $37.95 in the US. This is the Yazzii Craft Folding Kit, and this might be one of my favorites from the new bags. What I absolutely love about this bag is how much it holds and how slimly it folds up. So there it is with my threads and my beads. Another super cool thing about this bag is it's designed to rest on the arm of a couch or a chair. So if I'm working on a project, I can rest it on the couch, and I'll show this in action in other videos. So it has like an arm, it can easily rest on an armchair. So if you're doing needlework or a project while you're sitting on the couch watching TV, this is a great bag to use for that. So I have projects where I work on them in my studio, but also when I work on projects at night and I'm watching TV, I will work on them sitting on the couch. And so this bag would be great for that. You can see we have a long pouch here. This fits, I could put all of my tubes of beads in here that I'm using for a project. This little pouch, it's great. It fits so much. I mean, I have tapestry wool in here, and I could fit a lot more than what I have in here because it has some nice dimension to it. So that's really great. I could put more threads in there, different types. And then you see over here, I have my spools of eleganza. They fit perfectly in there. And again, it's gusseted, so it has like, it's not just a flat pouch. It has some dimension to it. So that is the craft folding kit, and I love how compactly this one packs up. Be sure to check the description for all the links you'll need.